Now first question to Viraj Gandhi. Name spelling. Name two powerful rulers of Magad. Sorry.
Magad.
Name two powerful rulers of Magad.
The Magad two powerful rulers' name was Bimbasar and Ajatsattu.
Very good. Very good. This boy is sitting in India. Still, he is very good.
Ajatasattu.
When you will be back, Mr. Viraj Gandhi? Now, question goes to Zian Afroz. Which ruler which ruler wanted to become world conqueror more than 2,300? Zian Afroz.
Yes, sir.
Answer.
The ruler Alexander wanted to become a world conqueror even more than 2,300 years ago.
Very good. Well done. Clap to you. Now, next question coming to Umar Fazal.
Okay, sir.
I'm giving the sentence. You have to tell what it is. Dash. Fill in the blanks. Keep it. Fill in the blanks.
Sir, someone in my neighbors is cooking pav bhaji.
Eat. Go there. Eat. Ask him that I am coming for party.
Sir, I know.
Give us parcel.
Now, Umar Fazal, dash is used for a group that has many members.
Dash is used for a group that has many members. Sir, Wajis.
Now, you are nearby
Sir,
that. You are nearby that, but
Then
who will tell?
Sir.
Can I say?
Kamakaras.
Sir, can I say?
Abdul Rahman.
Sir, Gana.
Very
Yes,
good. Very good. Yes. Gana. Very good.
Sir,
Next
I
question.
think sir, we got pronounced it as gun.
Next question to Abdul Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Means organization or
Yes, sir. Sir, is it Sangha?
yeah, very good. Well done.
Yes, correct.
Bilkul correct. Sangha. Who is saying correct?
I told the answer of Gana, then I thought this answer will be only Sangha, so I told Sangha.
Yeah. You are a good one.
I know better, Sangha.
Now next question to Amar Firoz. Very easy question. Who set up
Who set up?
form of
Government.
set up a form of government called
No.
Or democracy.
Sir, I know the answer. Sir, I know the answer.
only Amar Firoz first. Who set up a form of government called democracy first and when? Amar Firoz.
Hello?
Tell the
Sir,
answer.
can you
Who set up a form of government called democracy and first and when?
I know. Sir, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
around 2,500 years ago, the people of Athens set up a form of government,
Very good.
which was called a democracy, which
Very
lasted for
good.
about 200 years.
Very good. Very good.
Correct.
Thank you.
This boy, Ammar was sleeping. Easiest question, then also you can't give the answer. So easy question. We discussed so many in length about that he will not get the citizenship, he will not get this,
Athens.
but still you not
Capital
remember.
of Greece.
Very good.
Sir, many history was from Greece only. From Greece
Yeah.
only.
Sir,
Many,
which page?
not many, but much history. Just you can't count history.
Now, next question to Lukman Irfan.
Sir,
True or false?
Let the Ashwamedha. Sacrifice.
True or false? Raja,
Sir.
let us pass through the land were invited.
sir, true.
True. Very good.
Can you give me the next question? You didn't give me till now any question.
Sir, you give me the first question.
Who will give the answer? Huh?
Tell me.
Are it's true or false?
Muhammad
Mirza,
Arshad.
Mirza Abdullah. Give the answer. The charity has sprinkled the sacred water on the king. True or false?
It is false.
Very good.
Please.
The priest used to do that.
The chariot there.
Chariot means who are running the Rath. Rath is there.
Who will drive the chariot?
Chariot means Rath.
For me. Out of painted. Oh, yes, yes. I know.
Sir, it's true.
Gods, two stone gates were made out of painted graveware.
True.
Sir, I want to say the answer.
Sir, true.
Sir, I want to.
Give up.
Sir, false.
True.
No, false. False.
I told
False
you
it is. False.
probably for some
is
special
here
function to serve some special food. For those persons, for those purposes, it was probably used, not for storing water or anything.
Special
Not
occasion.
probably, it's probably. Not probably.
Serving food or on special functions, special times, celebrations.
For the kings like that people.
Not compulsory.
No, it was false. It is false.
It's false.
Yes.
Next question. Again, true, false.
Sir, it is false.
Yeah.
Sir, I am riding horse on my Ashwamedha.
Many cities Mahajanapadas were fortified.
Sir, can I say?
Say,
Can I say?
Sir, true. Pradesh says
True, sir. True.
Very good. Why are you shouting? Only one boy.
Sir, I want to say.
thanks.
Next question.
Archaeologist. Settlement.
Archaea from places.
I want to say. Zion.
Palaces in the settlement of the Janpadas. Yeah. Jana Froz.
Sir, I want to say, can I say something?
Yeah, say.
Sir, false. They found that people used to live in huts.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Well done. Jana Froz.
Thank you, sir.
Next question. Next question. Where you erase this and start. Next question.
Which was the most powerful ruler?
Sir, by mistake I sent that.
Sir, can I say the answer?
Say.
Sir, I can also say.
Sir, can I say?
Say.
Sir, can I
Sir, it is Magadha.
say?
Very good.
Sir, Magadha.
Very good. Very good. Well done.
Magad.
Magad. Magad. You can say Magda also. No problem. Now this question.
Where is the Hastinapur?
Where is Hastinapur situated?
Sir, it is situated
Near Delhi.
near Meerut.
Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. Meerut.
Near in
Sir,
Uttar
near
Pradesh
Uttar
it was
Pradesh.
situated.
Near
Meerut.
Hastinapur is situated near Meerut.
Meerut in Uttar Pradesh.
Meerut in Uttar Pradesh.
Very good. Well done, boys.
Sir, Hastinapura.
Yeah. Hastinapur. Hastinapur. Hastinapur.
Who could not, but sir, I know.
Yeah. Who will tell the answer?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, Kamakarans were commenting
Kamakaras means Dasas and Dasis.
Very good.
the Dasis and Kamakarans
These of the
couldn't participate in the assemblies.
Dasas, Dasis, Das and
but
all.
women
Servants, merchants, all couldn't participate in the assemblies.
women Dasad and Dasis and
Woman also. I now remember.
Laborers, Kamakara.
Women, Kamkaras, dancers were couldn't participate in the assemblies.
Could not participate.
And
Participate in these assemblies.
Even dasas and
Very good.
see.
Very
I
good.
can't see. Can't see the writing.
No problem. Women, dasas, dasis, and landless agricultural laborers or kamakars.
And after 20 minutes, class will be ended.
Yeah. No problem. What is the worry?
In which? Sir, in history, we have to remember so many years 2500, 2300.
ten 327 years, 5, 2 days, 2 hours, 2 minutes.
Nikaya.
Why are you saying directly?
Nikaya.
Yes, sir didn't told to say tell you.
Now tell the answer, Mr. Mirza Abdullah.
In which purchase you an account of purchase, what is so 1 minute.
Allah.
Jana Bros.
Sir, I know. Sir.
Yes. Yes.
I know. Sir,
Ready?
Ha
Sir,
and
ready? Sir, ready?
Diga
Sir,
Nikaya.
Diga.
Nikaya.
Diga Nikaya.
Diga
The
Nikaya.
Diga Nikaya was
Very
the
good.
account of the Vajis from the Diga Nikaya
Very good.
book, a very
Very
famous
good.
book.
Very
thank you,
good.
sir.
Next question. This is big question. Who will give the answer? Anyone can give the answer.
Sir, first write the question.
Yes. That's right. Sir, I know.
Sir, I know. The rivers such as Ganga and Son were important for the Magha.
I know.
Sir, me, Abdullah.
Mirza Abdullah. Yes.
Sir,
Hey, don't shout.
it was important. The rivers such as Ganga and Son were important for the Magha because in Magha there were only these two rivers connect different.
Sir, can I tell?
Many rivers such as
Sir.
Ganga,
Please.
Hecha tell.
Oh, sir, you every time you. To
Hecha.
listen music.
taking the land of
Many rivers such as the Ganga and transport to Magadh. This was important for transport, water supplies, and making the land fertile.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Transport.
Sir, next question. Sir, I want to say the next question. Answer.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I also want to say that.
Water supply. Very good. Next question again.
This time, sir told me, so no one else can.
Mr.
What were the changes in agriculture?
Mr. Jan Afroz will give the answer. Give the answer first.
Sir, there were two major changes in the agriculture. The first was that instead of wooden plowshares, now the iron plowshares were used, and instead of sowing the seeds directly, the paddies were transplanted.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Before writing the question, give the answer. What were the two major changes in the agriculture? Very good. Again, tell one more time. Can you tell again one more time?
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Sir, there were two major changes at that time in agricultural. The first change was that instead of wooden plowshares, now people started to use iron plowshares as it could turn the soil better and the more plants could grow easily. And the second change was that instead of sowing the seeds of paddy, people started to transplant these paddies. First, they would grow the saplings of this paddy and then plant it inside their land.
And this led to the increase in production and more survival of the plants because before they were scattering it.
Yeah. Now
Yes.
they started transplanting and using iron
When they were
plowshares.
scattering it, there was chances that many will die. But so we have to rub this. Very good. Next question. Who will give the answer? I will see. Mr. Viraj Gandhi will give the answer.
Okay.
Mr. Amar Feroz is there?
Why did people oppose the Varnas? I think the
Why the people
system.
oppose the system of Varnas?
Sir, the people oppose the system of Varnas because in the
Asad, give the answer.
Sir, I know the answer.
Asad, give the answer.
Sir, because in some states they thought that everybody should be treated equally. In some they just thought that the rulers were more higher, more written.
Yeah.
Sir, can I say?
Yeah,
Sir, can
Echa.
I say I want to say?
Okay,
Echa.
sir, I'll say. Many people did not accept the system of Varnas laid down by the Brahmins. Some kings thought that they were superior to the priests. Others felt that birth could not be a basis for deciding which Varna people belonged to. Besides, some people felt that there should be no differences amongst people based on occupations. Others felt that everybody should be able to perform rituals, and others condemned the practice of untouchability.
Condemn the practice.
Untouchability.
Condemn the
Also,
practice.
there were many areas in the subcontinent, such as the northeast, where social and economic differences were not very sharp, and where the influence of the priests was limited.
You don't have to write this only. You have to write up to untouchability. So your answer is correct.
Yes.
Now, next question. Sorry. Yes. Question. Now, the Vajji will progress.
Sir, I want to say.
what is the question?
How did
How
Vajji
the Vajji will progress according to Buddha.
Tell Zian Abdul Rahman.
Sir,
Keeping quiet for 2
the
minutes.
Buddha, according to Buddha, the Vajji people would continue
Zian
to
Abroad.
work.
Abdul Rahman. First. Abdul Rahman, give the answer.
Abdul Rahman.
Vajji progress according to Buddha until they held the frequent and full assemblies, until they act and meet each other until they follow the established rules, until they do not capture the Vaji women, until they respect and support to the elders.
Sir, can I tell next? After Abdul
Yes,
Rahman.
are maintained in both towns and the villages, and until the voice saints are allowed to move freely from outside the country and inside the country.
Sir, can I say? Tell?
Very good.
Can I say-
Tell Suraj Gandhi.
Sir, the Buddha, they held a full and also a frequent public assemblies, and also if they will act met together, and if they followed the assembly rules, and they supported, respected or listened to elders, and did not force or capture the worthy women, and why saints follow the different beliefs, and were respected and allowed to enter and leave the country freely, and also the local shrines or chatyas are maintained in towns also and villages also.
Very good. Well done. Jan Afroz. Can you tell? in your
Sir,
own-
according to the Buddha, the
Yeah.
Vaji people would continue to prosper until they held their assemblies in full public assemblies, and frequently they met and acted together, and they will follow all their established rules. They would respect, support, and listen the elders. They would the wise saints who followed different religions and beliefs were respected and allowed to move freely inside and outside the country. The chaityas were maintained in both towns and villages. The Vaji women were not held by force or captured. Only this much.
Very good.
Sir, only
Can I say?
only there are 6 boys.
Sir, can I say?
Tell Arshad.
The Buddha asked whether the Buddhists met
in
20
the whole
assemblies.
Plus 20
While we hear that
boys.
they did, he replied that the
Around
Buddhists
20
continue
there.
to prosper as long as
20,
they held full
21,
and frequent
21,
public
20,
assemblies.
25,
They met and acted together. They respected, supported, and listened to elders. They followed established rules. Chatyas. Local saints were maintained in both towns and villages. While saints who followed different beliefs were respected and allowed to enter and leave the country freely.
Very good. Well done. Now next question, last question today. Where is the question?
And sir, after this question, the class will be ended.
Yeah.
Sir, I think so. It will be the hardest question.
Diga Nikaya. Diga Nikaya. Still 6 minutes are there.
Can I say?
Sir,
Can I say?
Sir, can I say?
Can I say?
sir, can I say?
Sir, can I say?
Sir, can I say regular taxes?
Tell now. Tell Umar Badal. Umar Badal, tell.
I want to say.
Sir, please.
Sir, please.
After Umar, I will tell.
Can I say?
Wait, Umar Badal.
Sir, can I say?
Can I say?
Wait, Umar Badal will answer. Prajesh, answer now, Prajesh.
Sir, what?
Yes, Prajesh, give the answer now. What was the taxes collected by the rulers?
taxes collected by the rulers by
What were the taxes?
Say that. First,
Can I tell?
please.
Just tell what were the taxes collected by the rulers of Mahajanpath?
Sir,
Sir.
No.
Why is not coming?
So Pradesh is having audio problem, I think.
Yeah.
Sir, please, I.
Then now who will say?
Hashim, you can say. Hashim. So the question goes to Viraj Gandhi.
Yes, sir. Sir, they collected taxes by hunter and gatherers by collecting the forest produce to the rajas, and they collected the taxes on crops. It was the most important, and they collected the crops taxes because the most people was in the farmers only, and
Right.
usually the tax was 1/6 of it was produced,
Very
and
good.
this was known as a bhag
So
or
can
a
I say?
share. And herders were also have to pay taxes in the form of animals or animals produced product, and also they collected taxes on goods that were brought or sold through the trade, and and they also on craft persons taxes was collected, and this was in the form of labors, and I'm done.
Sir, can I say?
Good now.
Sir, can I say?
Echa, yeah. Then Jana Pros. Echa, quickly.
Okay, sir.
sir,
As the rulers of the Mahajanpadas were building huge forests, maintaining big armies, they needed more resources, and they needed officials to collect this. So instead of depending on occasional gifts brought by people, as in the case of the Raja of the Janpadas, they started collecting regular taxes. First, taxes on crops were the most important. This was because most people were farmers. Usually, the tax was fixed at 1/6 of what was produced. This one was known as bhag or a share. Second, there were taxes on craftsperson as well. This could have been in the form of labor. For example, a weaver or a smith may have had to work for a day every month for the king. Third, herders were also expected to pay taxes in the form of animals and animal produce. Fourth, there were also taxes on goods that were bought through trade and sold. Fifth, and hunters and gatherers also had to provide forest produce to the Raja.
Very good.
Right, I think so. You all copied to the book. It's a word to word you
Jana
tell.
Pros, you can answer.
sir, in the Mahajanapads, the kings used to collect taxes on from different people. First was the taxes on crops. It was almost fixed on 1/6 of what was produced by the farmers, and this
Very
was
good.
the most important one. The second is the one on the craft person. Now it is a thing like probably it is this craft people have to work for 1 day in a month for the king to pay the tax. The third one is for the herders. The herders also had to pay the taxes, and it was expected to they were expected to pay the taxes but in the form of animals or the animal products. The fourth one is that is of the people on the goods that were bought and sold, like in trade or any shop or anything.